Okay, so we are still on problem 3. We just completed the different ratios that we wanted to do. So now I'm actually going to answer both 2 and 3 in this video. So it says the Board of Directors L2 Inc. has a set minimum required rate of return of 20%. So we want to calculate the company's residual income. So the very first thing we want to do whenever we want to calculate something is we want to make sure that we have the formula. So the formula right here is going to be residual income is equal to net operating income. We want to be very careful about net operating income and make sure that we're using that and not net income. They're two different things. Minus, and then you want your parentheses outside of this, required rate of return times average operating assets. So luckily we already determined some of this, so it'll be quick for us. So the net operating income is $540,000. And we got that from this number right here. You guys can see that. Okay. The next thing we want to do is we want to determine the required rate of return, which was actually also given to us. So I should have highlighted that. My apologies. So that's 20%. And then in the previous problem, we actually calculated the average operating assets, and that was $767,500. So that's what I got. So to solve this problem, in the parentheses, I won't use the eraser. Okay, sorry. In the parentheses, I got 153,500, and then 540 minus that. That is going to be 386,500. So that one wasn't too bad, hopefully, as long as we have that formula memorized. Okay, so then the next part of the question, or the next question, says that Lacey, Lauren, and other employees receive bonuses on December 31st if the company meets its performance goals measured by residual income. Will the employees receive bonuses for 2012? So when I first read this, I was like, well, what's the performance goal? It doesn't tell us. But the performance goal is that as long as this calculation above, as long as this is positive, so if this is a positive number, we actually met the income goal. So the answer to 3 would be yes, we did meet the goal, and we can give bonuses this year. Ooh, can't spell. Okay, so that's all of problem 3. I'm going to continue on with the practice exam and do problem 4 next. Hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions about this, feel free to email or post on the discussion boards, and that goes for any of the videos.